Good morning everyone students. Today in this class we are going to discuss regarding body fluids and circulation. In body fluids and circulation we are going to discuss mainly regarding fluid connective tissues. Fluid connective tissues. Fluid connective tissues in our body are blood and lymph. Blood and lymph are the fluid connective tissues. First, mainly we are going to discuss regarding blood. Color of the blood is red in color. It is opaque in nature, slightly alkaline. Slightly alkaline. Means pH is 7.4. Study of blood is known as hematology. Hematology. Formation of blood is known as hemophasis. Formation is known as hemophasis. A normal, healthy men consist of 5 to 6 liters of blood, whereas women consist of 4 to 5 liters of blood. By weight, 7 to 8% of body weight. 7 to 8% of body weight. Next, if we see the volume occupied by the RBC in the blood is known as packed cell volume or hemocritic volume. Packed cell volume or hematocrit volume. If you see the composition of blood mainly it consists of plasma and formed elements. Plasma 55%, it is solid part of the blood and yellow in color due to urobilin and bilirubin. Formed elements in blood are 45%. Mainly if we see plasma 55%. In this 55% we can see 90 to 92% of water, remaining 8% are solutes. In this 8% solutes, what we can see in the plasma? We can see plasma proteins. Plasma proteins like albumin, globulin, blood clotting factors like prothrombin and fibrinogen. Blood clotting factors like prothrombin, fibrinogen. And we can see minerals, amino acids, lipids, calcium, magnesium, albumin and globulins are secreted from liver. Albumin is the smallest plasma protein. Smallest plasma protein. It maintains the blood colloidal osmotic pressure 28 to 32 ml per Hg. If the level of albumin in the plasma decreases, we will get a diseases edema. Swelling of legs. Globulins are of three types. Three types of globulins are present. Alpha globulins, beta globulins, gamma globulins. Alpha globulins and beta globulins are formed from the liver. Alpha globulins carry Cu carrying protein. Beta globulins carries Fe carrying proteins. Fe iron carrying proteins. This is regarding plasma. Formed elements. Formed elements in blood are red blood cells or erythrocytes, white blood cells or leukocytes, platelets. Mainly we discuss regarding RBC, red blood cells, erythrocytes. At the earlier stages, where blood cells are formed from yolk sac mesoderm. Later, they are formed from spleen and liver. In adult stages, they are formed from blood cells are formed from red bone marrow. In the adult stages, formed from red bone marrow. We discussed mainly regarding RBC. Red blood cells are red blood corpuscles. If you see the structure of RBC, In mammals, the RBC is circular and concavity is seen in the middle. Nucleus is absent. Circular, biconvex, biconcave, and nucleus is absent, anucleated. Exceptionally, only in two mammals, that is camels and llamas, we can see biconvex and oval shaped RBC. Camels and llamas, we can see oval and biconvex shape, oval in shape and biconcave. Convexity is seen. Where we see in mammals, we discussed that the RBC is circular in shape and concavity is seen. The concavity and nucleus is absent, means more surface area for the process of absorption of oxygen. And increase in RBC is known as, the condition when abnormal increase in RBC is known as polycythemia. Decrease in RBC, if the number of RBC decreases, that condition is known as erythrocytosis. Production of RBC is known as erythropoiesis. Shortage of RBC stimulate, if the number of red blood cells are less, for the production of RBC, the erythropoietin stimulates the kidney for the production of more number of RBC. Color of the RBC is red in color due to hemoglobin pigment. In hemoglobin, we can see 2 alpha chains and 2 beta chains and 4 heme molecules. At the center, we can see Fe+2 iron containing ion. At the resting stage, when we are at resting stage, the blood flow is very slow. At the time, what happens? All the RBC will come and form the Kynes-like structure that is called Rolliax. Number of RBC per cubic millimeter of the blood is 4.5 to 5.5 millions. 5.5 billions per cubic millimeter. Percentage of hemoglobin in 100 ml of blood. The percentage of hemoglobin in 100 ml of blood is 12 to 16 grams. 12 to 16 grams of hemoglobin per 100 ml. Lifespan of RBC in mammals is 120 to 127 days. 120 to 127 days. This is regarding blood, plasma and Formed elements. In formed elements we have discussed regarding only red blood cells.